Hi there, my name is Henry Tenby, and in this quick edition of Model Moment, I'm going to be showing you this very nice 1/50th scale Pan Am DC-8 model. It's a beautiful model, and let's get on with the viewing. So here we go. This is a wonderful casting. I'm not sure if it's a Douglas factory model or a recast. I know it's not one of my recasts, because I did a number of recastings about 15 years ago, and this is not one of them, but this could be a Gary Fields model. I'm not sure. It does have a stamp on it. The wing section is stamped with a number 4, so if that means anything to you, I don't know. But nonetheless, I purchased the model as a blank, and I've just finished doing a museum-grade restoration on it. There we have a Douglas logo with the identification plate there. Yes, so this is a auto body clear coat, 2-part clear coat, so automotive paints. This clear coat will last for decades, and it should not experience any yellowing because this paint is designed to be outside under UV exposure for a long period of time. If the model is displayed inside your home, it should last for many, many decades. So yes, beautiful, beautiful model. As I say, 1/50th scale on this Pan Am DC8. She is the Jet Clipper Great Republic N809 PA. And as a 1/50th model, you can see that she measures in at around 3 feet, about 36 inches, something like that, nose to tail, 35, 36 inches on the length. And her wingspan is also, well, it appears to be about 33 inches, something like that. So she's a very generous model. These models are now getting harder to find. Of course, you can find thrashed DFMs, and finding a DFM in fabulous condition is really hard. But this model, is having been restored, is going to give many, many years of viewing pleasure to the new owner. It comes with the stand. I think it's probably a replacement stand. And but it sure does look very, very nice. And I am selling the model. If you'd like to have this museum grade model in your collection, I'll just cut right to the chase and tell you the price is $49.95. That does not include shipping. The model does have to be shipped, and you're probably looking at a couple $100 for North American shipping and several $100s for international shipping, at least. The box for this model would be one of these babies. This is a U-Haul 12 by 12 by 36 inch box. And when the wings come off this, it fits actually nicely into a model box just like that. So just FYI, you're looking at about 20 pounds. Dimension is 36 by 36 by 12 on the shipping. So this model will sell. It won't be around. If you're probably watching this video a year from now, the model will be sold. But if you'd like to make the investment on this model, who knows what this kind of model could be worth in 5 or 10 years' time. I'm sure it'll be healthy 4 figures, Why? Supply and demand. There just are not that many of these around. We're probably talking, you can count them on your hand for the number of models like this. Pan Am DC8s that would come to the market in the period of a decade. Yeah, you'd be probably single digit. It is an extremely rare piece. It's a beautiful piece. When the model does sell, I will mark it as such in this video listing. So if you don't see the word sold in this video listing, you'll know that it is still for sale. Of course, if you want to discuss the purchase of this investment grade model for your collection, don't hesitate to drop me a line. You can contact me at henrytenby@gmail.com. And again, that's henrytenby@gmail.com, and I'd be happy to discuss this model with you. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to seeing you on my next video. Hi there, my name is Henry Tenby, and I'd like to tell you about my brand new book. It's called From Lodestars to Jets, and it's the most image-heavy, comprehensive, it's the most extensive history on Air Canada, Trans-Canada Airlines that has ever been published in the annals of aviation history. The book is absolutely loaded with images, that many of which have never been seen before. Let's have a look at the pages, and then you can decide if this book deserves a spot on your bookshelf. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the book. Isn't that gorgeous? It is printed on 105 GSM paper, so it's super high quality paper. It is absolutely loaded with images. As I say, there are approximately 600 images, just under 300 pages. Many of these images have never been seen before, and the stories that are within these pages, many of them have long been forgotten, and it is information that is absolutely fascinating relating to engineering and fleet planning and fleet development issues at Trans-Canada Airlines. Look at that Viscount wing structure design, feathering system. We've got a section on the Bristol Freighter, some face changes around TCA engineering, and then sections on the Connie. Models make moolah, of course, for you aircraft model fans. Whole sections on the Connie North Star. There we go, Engineering Department, 1950. Fabulous shot taken at, where's this, Cartierville. Absolutely gorgeous. And this will take you back to the good old days of Trans-Canada Airlines. As I say, I believe this is the most comprehensive history on Trans-Canada, Avro jetliner, that's right. Trans-Canada Airlines was instrumental in the development of this aircraft. Of course, up to the jet age, the introduction of service to the DC-8s, and other airplanes that were considered by TCA at the time. This is not the same old Air Canada history that we've seen many times over the decades. This is all brand new information, brand new stories. I've posted a link in the upper right-hand corner of this video that'll take you to the book information and order page. Also, I should point out that time is of the essence. Limited production on these books. Once they're sold out, they're probably sold out forever. And I hope you will enjoy the book as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Thank you very much.